Welcome to Pepperwood. My name is Ryan Ferrell, and today I'm going to be telling you a little bit about our alert wildfire cameras here we've got at Pepperwood. Right now we're at Pepperwood West High Hill Fire Camera, and it has a companion camera across the way to the east. These two cameras here on Pepperwood were two of the original 8 pilot for the Alert Wildfire North Bay network. So what makes these cameras so special? To start, they're pan, tilt, zoom enabled. They've got a 32 times optical zoom, so if there's an ignition way out there on the horizon, the operator behind the camera can zoom in and see that ignition source. Is it a grass fire? Is it a house fire? Is someone burning a brush pile? And they can tease that apart. Also, they've got 360 degrees to watch clear to the horizon. And then they're 24/7. At night, when the sun goes down, a near-infrared filter drops down in front of the lens, and so they essentially have night vision and can see even further at that point. So 24/7 operation, 360-degree field of view, and they can zoom in to really narrow in on these incidents and help CAL FIRE and other emergency responders deploy resources appropriately. So the two cameras we have here on Pepperwood are really essential for this region. They were installed after the 2017 Tubbs fire, but had they been here, these would have been the two cameras to watch the Mark West corridor where that fire came through down into Santa Rosa behind us. Now fast forward to 2019, these cameras were here for the Kincade Fire and were essential in informing CAL FIRE, how many resources to deploy to different regions. And specifically right here in Pepperwood, CAL FIRE cut dozer lines and staged here, and this is where they stopped the Kincade Fire, using data and real-time information from these cameras.